Hello everyone, welcome back with another new topic on Microsoft Azure. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to create secret in Azure Key Vault. To understand the basic concept of Azure Key Vault and its uses, please watch my another video created on this topic. You will find the link in the I button or in the description below. So in previous session, we have created our Azure Key Vault My Key Vault Demo 2. Now we are going to use the same Key Vault and we will create a secret in this Key Vault. So in the Key Vault overview page, we can see all the information regarding our resource group, our vault URI, location, our pricing tier, subscription information, directory ID, soft delete and purging protection. All the information we can view it here. Azure Key Vault helps solve the following problems. We can manage the secrets, we can manage the keys, we can manage the certificates. Key management. Azure Key Vault can be used as a key management solution, and it is easy to control and create the encryption key used to encrypt your data. You can go here, you can generate or import. In the options, you can select generate or you can import, or you can restore backup. Then you can give the name, you can choose the key type, you can choose the key size, you can pass the activation key or expiration date or activation date. And if you want to enable it, you can keep as it is. If you want to disable, you can just select the no. If you want to add any tags, you can add it and just click on create. So for now, let me close this window. We'll go to the next section, secrets. Inside this secret management, Azure Key Vault can be used to securely store and tightly control access to token, password, certificate, API keys, or other secrets. How you can create a secrets? You can simply you can click on generate and import, and here in the upload option, you will see in the drop down, you will see two options, manual or certificate. Then you have to pass the name, you have to pass the value, and you can pass the content type. Even it's optional, you can leave it blank. You can set the activation date, expiration date, and you can keep enable or disabled, and you can add the tag. For now, let me close this window. I'll go to the next option, certificates management. So in Azure Key Vault, it lets you easily manage and deploy public and private TLS or SSL certificate for use the Azure or your internal connected resources. So how to use this certificate? You just have to click on generate and import, and here in the again in drop down, you will see two options, generate or import. Okay, so if you click on import, it will ask you to provide the certificate name, choose the path, choose the password, and click on create. If you select the generate, it will ask you to provide the certificate name. Again, in the certificate authorities, you have different options. Either you can create a self-sent certificate, you can uh, create a certificate issued by any indicated CA, or certificate issued by any non-indicated CA. Then you can pass the subject, and if you want to add the DNS name, you can add it here. Okay, you can add the validity period. It's a PM or PKCS. You can choose the content type accordingly. And here in the lifetime action, again, you can choose your option as per your requirement. Then you can add the percentage lifetime, and then you can click on create. Okay, so in this way, you can manage your certificate management as well. So in this session, let's go and create a secret that we will use in our next session. So what we will do, we will go and click on generate and import. We will here, instead of certificate, we will select manual. We will pass the name demo key vault for logic app, and we will pass the password here, demo password. Okay, I'll keep it blank. I'll not set up the activation date, expiration date. I'll keep it enabled and I'll click on create. Okay, so if you can see the pop-up, it says the certificate demo key vault for LA has been successfully created. And if we can see, we have this listed here, this certificate name, the secret that we have created, and then the secret status is showing enabled because we have keep that enabled. If you click on that, you will see a current version. So here what you can do, you can create a multiple versions also. Just simply click on this new version and you can create a different versions. So for example, if I want to create a new version, I'll go here. Okay, so if you can see, when I'm clicked on the new version, I'm still able to see choose the option to manual or certificate, but in the name it is non-editable, so I cannot change the name. But again, I change the password here, so let's change the password. Okay, and again, if you want to disable it or enable it, you can make it accordingly. Let's create it. All right, so now if you can see here, this is the current version and this is the older version that we have created previously. Okay, now if you want to disable the older version, you just have to select that and you can make it enable false, so it will disable that secret. Okay, so and if you want to see the secret value, you just have to click on show secret and it will show you the secret value. Okay, so for now let's keep this disabled. Let's make this change. Let's go back to our secret, and if you can see, our older version is showing disabled and current version is showing enabled. So in this way we can create secret in Azure Key Vault. That's it for this session. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned how to create secret in Azure Key Vault. If you have any query or any suggestion, please feel free to contact me. Have a great day.